Good morning, guys. Today is July 1st, 2020. I'm not sure if I'm daily vlogging yet for the month of July, but if you guys see this video on July 2nd, then that means I am. I'm not sure if I'm vlogging just simply because, you know, as I've said 7,000 times before, I'm not sure when I'm going back to work, but as of right now, it seems like I'm not going back as soon as anticipated, which I am beyond grateful for, which doesn't sound the best, but I just enjoy spending so much time with Lamb, spending so much time with my family, being able to say, hey guys, let's go to the beach, everyone packs up, and then we're at the beach an hour later. Like, it's just such a great feeling. Lamb also suggested that I do weekly vlogs, and I thought about it, but I just know myself. I just feel like I'd get really overwhelmed with trying to edit a week worth of footage, just simply because you guys know I talk so much and I repeat the same thing over and over again, so I feel like I'd get overwhelmed trying to edit those vlogs. But anyway, on to more important things. I am downtown. I just parked up. I am going into my doctor's office. I have an appointment today for the doctors. It's like a checkup, and also they're measuring my uterus, because if you guys remember the last time I went to the doctors, my uterus was measuring pretty large for the amount of weeks that I am, so they want to make sure that it's still not large, it didn't get much bigger, and if it did, then they want to figure out why, so that I don't have to get a growth scan, and it's a whole process. I'm hoping everything is okay. We'll see how this goes. If everything goes fine, then I'll be able to schedule my ultrasound, my 3D ultrasound, to see the baby's face and just, you know, all that great stuff. So yeah, I'm about to head into the appointment. I'm supposed to be in there at 10:45. It's 10:48. My appointment starts at 11, but I just don't want to wait in there longer than I have to. I'm gonna head in now, and I have to remember to pay the meter, because last time I got a ticket I was down here. I thought I did, something happened, I didn't, and yeah, that sucked. It's 12 o'clock, and the doctor still hasn't come in yet. I'm so hungry, I didn't eat anything. Ugh. Just patiently waiting. I wanted to tell you guys real quick that I got a ticket. I just was talking about not getting a ticket in the previous clip, because I got one already. So I was at my doctor's, I got a parking ticket, and I was really annoyed. So I double checked, triple checked, made sure that I wouldn't get one this time, and I still did. But it's not my fault. Whoever gave me the ticket is an asshole and an idiot. So I need to dispute it now. So I was kind of upset earlier. I honestly cried a tear. It fell down my face. I was really upset, because why do I have to go dispute this now? This is something I need to worry about.
Yeah, that's someone else's job.
Yeah, this is, and I was waiting for an officer, whatever, if you would even call them an officer, to walk past and be like, why the fuck is there a ticket on my windshield? Because, am I using the app wrong? Like, let me know.
Yeah.
But of course no one walked past. Okay, so much has happened. Like, you guys won't even believe all the things we did since I didn't vlog. Just kidding. I just went to go pick up hoagies for Lamb from his uncle and aunt shop, because he's so particular. So now we're at a new Bucky shop. It's called Valer. This is where I got those Vietnamese dishes from last time. The rice cakes and the tapioca pork thingies. We're hungry.
It smells so good.
Not using, okay?
So sorry I didn't record. We ate. We are now leaving the house again.
We're in traffic, trying to go to a few places. It's gonna be fun. We're going to IKEA first. Hopefully there's no line, because that would be annoying. Then we're gonna go to Ulta, because then I have to return something, and I have to buy a few things. I'm just kidding, I know, but I might. Who cares? And then we're gonna go to Walmart, because they need water for their house, and they have to the term, this paper towel hanger, rack roller, whatever.
Holder, I don't know.
So that's what we're up to.
Alright, we made it to IKEA. There's no line, and I'm so excited. This girl in here, watch this.
I'm sorry to disappoint. There's been a shortage on strawberries. I couldn't do my strawberry pie, but hopefully sometime soon, you know, I'll work on it.
Thank you. Look at the sky. It's genuinely gorgeous. Well, not right there, but right here, gorgeous. I guess people wanted plants in their house this season because it is wiped the fudge out. And there's a drummer back here. Oh.
Which one?
This one. What? That was amazing.
You will never believe that I convinced, not really me, Savana and DJ to come to my house. We played badminton with you, and I had to go through my clothes, and she's gonna help me. So
Huh?
she's gonna help me, and she never wants to come to my house. So it's gonna be a nice
And
day.
she bought it.
Oh, I bought 2 of these. It's gonna be cute. I gotta find some rocks. Somebody.
$5 below for his phone case. Maybe, potentially, hopefully.
Honestly, that's how I really be feeling.
6 cases of water. Unfortunately, they don't have the 40-pack kind. I wanted some sparkling soda, water, whatever. So I got this. Never tried it before, but strawberry was recommended by her because LaCroix or Bubbly has good strawberry. And now, instead of pretending we're healthy, we're in the chip aisle. It's so lovely and bright and gorgeous.
Like the candy and chips. It's so organized. It's just calling our name.
Exactly. Like, look at this. No other aisle in Walmart is this organized, and that's a fact. Fact check me. Making our way to Lamb's mother's house, getting food. We're done in Walmart now. I think my finger was over the speaker, so if you didn't hear my song, oh well. Legit been hours since the last update, but look at this.
Look at this.
Opened it.
Tiny little head.
So sweet.
Can go up more, babe.
Finally opened.
Oh. Okay, so what we're doing right now is I bought an extra car seat base because we have 2 cars. But this one, my travel system came with one. So instead of buying 2 car seats, we just bought an extra base. So we want to see if it fits. And now we can't figure out how to take it out because
it's hard, okay?
we've been parents already.
This is so sweet.
So little, like what? Are you kidding me? This is for her little tiny head.
So sweet.
Wait, okay. If I was a car seat, you would take me off like this.
Oh.
Oh,
What's that?
good.
Oh.
Right here. I just thought
Honestly,
about, like,
moms are the best.
This is the stroller my dad bought me.
So you want to put it together?
Kinda, so I can push it around. 1, 2, 3. I can't do it. It's again. It's again. It's again. Oh! Oh my god! You really have
It's
to put it
not
on.
assembled?
You have to put the wheels on it.
Oh shoot. Finally assembled it, figured it out. Now it's just a matter of using it. So sweet.
So I need to update you guys on a few things. It has been so many hours later. We went outside, we played badminton. It was really fun. I was killing it. I honestly usually thanks. I really suck all the time, but I did a good job today, and I'm saying it. I don't care. Also, I went to go edit my video for the last fucking day of June. The last day of June, and guess what? I failed on the last day. I mean, I'm over it now, because it's just, I can't change anything about it. But I decided to play badminton until 11:10. Then we walked back to the house, and I'm like, oh, 45 minutes is plenty of time to edit and upload my video. But iMovie didn't export my video in time. So basically, Yeah, it was really annoying. So basically, instead of on July 1st, which is the next day that I would normally upload my videos, also, I think I'm going to keep vlogging because why not? I'm not doing anything else. And these are going to be so great to look back on one day. So, right now, Savannah and I are in my glam room. We just went through all of my clothes, basically. And we're organizing everything I'm getting rid of. So, can you believe this is everything that I don't want anymore? Like, what a waste of money. That's all I keep thinking about when I see this. Money, 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 money. Savannah's organizing them by color right now because she's got OCD. I'm forcing Rose to bring my niece over tomorrow so that she can go through all of this clothes because she basically is bigger than me, honestly. So she could fit all of this stuff and it's good stuff. So, okay, so we've organized all this, color coded it, and this is ready to go for tomorrow for Jessica. Ew, look at my little thumb. Look.
Look at mine. And it's all good. Look at mine. It's like that.
But now she's making me clean and I'm just...
She's not happy, guys.
I'm not happy. She's actually doing most of the cleaning. I'm so sorry. But look at this. You guys know what it was like a few days ago. Woo! So, soon as Jessica goes through all of this, tell me what she doesn't want or wants. Everything is going into the donation box and getting out of here. My eyes are closed. That's weird. I could do this now, guys.
Okay. Crazy. What an hour of commitment can do.
Imagine 2 hours.
Imagine. Just imagine.
Imagine a week. Just kidding. Guys, I'm still upset at myself that I valued badminton over uploading my video. Honestly, I killed it. It was
Badminton is great memories, great exercise, and they only had to wait 15 minutes. And she needed it. Belly shot. Oh my gosh, it looks so big. Is this thing on? Bye guys. We're going home.
It's 2 a.m.
Just kidding. But seriously, we're going home. So, when you go to look at this footage, I am actually upside down. I am delirious.